Hi everyone, I'm Sandhya and I'm back with a new recipe today. Today we're going to make a starter or a snack using mushroom. It's called mushroom Rava Fry. Now as usual, this is a simple recipe and has very few ingredients involved. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. Before we move into the video, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell and also like, share and comment. So I've got the mushrooms which I've washed, cleaned and patted dry, and I've cut it into 2 vertical pieces like this. If the mushrooms are bigger in size, you can cut it into 3 pieces as well. Now for the coating, I've got semolina or rava, some rice flour, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, salt to taste and some minced or grated garlic. So I've kept all the ingredients ready in here. So let's start preparing the dish. So we'll mix all the coating ingredients together. Make sure there are no lumps. And then we'll add the mushrooms into it. And mix it nicely. So now to make the coating stick to the mushroom, I'm going to add a little bit of water. Just make sure you sprinkle water little by little until they start coating the mushroom nicely. So the mushrooms have been coated nicely. Now let's start frying them in some oil. So I've got some oil heating up in a pan. I'm going to shallow fry these mushrooms. So we'll add the coated mushrooms into the hot oil. The flame is on medium. Fry the mushrooms until they are golden brown in color from both sides. And then you can remove this into a paper towel and serve them hot. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with a new recipe next time. Until then, bye-bye.